Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I will explain how to create a new project in UC Winroad. So let's start with running the application. So from the desktop shortcut, I run the application. When the application is started, before you create a new project, you need to be aware of what we call the location settings. So to do that, to check what will be used, go in the File menu, then Application Options and Default Settings. If you go in Editing, you will see a first setting which is called Location Setting. Here you select which location setting you want to use when you create a new project. So if you want to create some data for Japan, please select Japan. For another country, please select this other country. And if you need a new location setting, you can create a new one. But I will not go in detail about location settings now. So I'll select Japan in that case. And the location settings actually is storing all the information about the specificities of a project, like which 3D models will be loaded by default, what are the traffic rules, if the vehicles are driving on the left or on the right side of the road, and some other default settings. Default settings that cannot be changed after you create a project, or some of them cannot be changed. So it's important to select the correct one before you create a new project. And to create a new project, you need to go through the File menu, from which you have different ways of creating a new project. In new project, you have default terrain. This will create some terrain with some mountains and some flat land. You can select Japan. In here, you will have access to all the Japanese terrain elevation data. So you will be able to create a project using that elevation data. You will not have any picture on the terrain on the project you create. So I will not use this one this time. You have the same thing for New Zealand and the same for other countries. For other countries, you will need to copy some files on your computer before you can use that feature. If you need any file for any country, please contact us. Okay, so the next option would be user defined. This will create a flat terrain of anywhere you want, any coordinate you want, any size you want, but this will create just a flat terrain, flat ground. So I will not use that one this time too. You can use that load from file to load some GeoTIFF data file. You can download a sample from our database, and you can use this new feature in order to import some terrain in Japan again, but with some satellite picture applied to the terrain. So this is using a web service, a free web service provided in Japan that provides all the land information, which is some map data, as you can see, the elevation data, and some satellite pictures. So I will actually go where we have the development team of this project in Miyazaki. Okay, and I will switch to the satellite photo, zoom a little bit more, and I will OK here. So it will import all that part of Japan with the photos and the elevation data. OK. Okay, so your project is ready to start building a new environment. So I will go to the next tutorial to explain that. And okay, thank you for following this.